Hey, what's up Tron holder? So today video is gone very special for Tron holder, and this is one reason to this is gone special. If you can see here, the chances of Tron is totally goes down. Therefore I make this video for specially Tron holder. My brother, please keep watch this video is very important because minus 7.42% they gone down and a negative result. So very bad for Tron holder. What we do, the decision is very fine to sell, buy or hold. What we do in this critical situation. So let's get started this brand video, my brother. But before I get started this brand video, my brother, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Hope you subscribe this channel. If you subscribe this channel, then I give you a good latest price prediction and all cryptocurrencies. Okay, guys. So this time I gotta show you the last 1 day chart. I gotta show you the 3 charts and then we decide to sell or buy. Okay, so first of all, if you can see here, the last 24-hour chart is a negative. You can see the result as totally negative. The chart as minus 7.43% goes down. So my brother, this is very critical situation for all holder of a Tron. My brother, if you can see here, the totally goes down. Totally, this is unbelievable. Very bad result you can see here, but they take some jump. Sometimes they take a jump and just a very small, not a good, not a big down, not a big jump. Okay, brother. So not this reading, not this price. The latest price is 0.1253 US dollars. So not this price. Absolutely, this is very important for this decision. Okay, so let's check out the last 3 days result, guys. The last 3 days result is also very important for this decision because we also see this result to what's going on in the last 3 days result. So if you check out, my brother, the last 3 days result and also come down minus 13.58% they come down. So this is very big. This is very big bad chance. You can see here minus 13.58% they come down. So I think this is totally goes down, and the one reason is that I think this is one big reason is that this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrencies, my 3 cryptocurrencies, my 3 Cardano, Steeler and Ripple has come down and those days. So I totally lost in those days. But what we can do this time? But I hope in upcoming days, in the mid of month or at the end of month, they're going off like a rocket. So wait for the good result, brothers. Let's check out the last 1 hour, the latest to what's going on. Oh my goodness, absolutely, my brother. They're gonna go. They give us a good result and last 1 hour. This is very small, but this is good. Plus 0.26% then gone up. So congratulations. I hope today they gone up. Today they take a jumping, mind-blowing jumping today they take. So what's your opinion? What's your expectation? Please share it in a comment box to what's going on, what we do in the situation. My expectation is that this is good time for holding, and if you have any plan to buy more, then absolutely this is very good day for to you have buy more. Please buy it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good result. What you say, please share in a comment box to this is selling time or buying. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel if you are new. Please subscribe for latest updates and news, and also like this video if you enjoy. This is very informative video for you. Please like, comment and share.